Dear visitors, the art of Tajik wood carving possesses an ancient heritage and continues to thrive to this day through a rich spectrum of ornamental designs. Within these artistic traditions, vegetal, geometric interlace, and zoomorphic motifs occupy a central position. One of the permanent exhibition halls of the National Museum is dedicated to the Department of Fine and Applied Arts, with particular emphasis on the art of carving. The hall presents exemplary carved panels that encompass themes of history, culture, national traditions, and the everyday life of a Tajik people. A renowned master of carving in a country is Abu Talib Haydarov, who honed his artistic skills under the mentorship of Nuruddinov. His works are distinguished by exquisite craftsmanship and remarkable subtlety, each embodying profound semantic and conceptual depth. Among his notable creations is the work entitled Spring, created in 1986. The piece is executed in a still life genre. At the center of the panel, the author has composed a harmonious arrangement featuring a vase, spring flowers, and butterflies. The background is articulated through a hexagonal interlaced pattern, while the surface of the panel is intricately embellished with carved motifs of cotton blossoms and trefoil leaves. Dear visitors, if you would like to gain more information about the art of carving and carved panels, you are cordially invited to visit the National Museum.